Hi viewers, welcome to Excel Tutorial Hub. In this video, I am going to show you a simple and easy way to enter data using form in Excel. This method can save you time and reduce errors. Let's jump right in. So, here we have data field setup with column headers. Now, let's access the form. To access the form, click on Developer tab, click Customize Quick Access toolbar, select all commands, and now click on form. Add form, click OK. So now you can see that we have access to form. Click on form, click new. Now we can easily enter data using this form. Let's do the data entry. So that's how we can do data entry using this form. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, like and share this video and subscribe Excel Tutorial Hub for more interesting videos about Excel.